Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening the exact YouTube video you want to share. If you're on desktop, use a browser and load the video page. On mobile, open the app and navigate to the video. Once the video is loaded, pause or leave it running, either is fine. Make sure you're on the correct video and that the timestamp is where you want it to begin, because that affects how you'll copy the link and whether you need a start time parameter later. Now copy the actual URL. On desktop, click the browser address bar and copy the whole URL with Ctrl+C or CMD+C. That grabs any playlist or timestamp parameters too. On mobile, tap Share and choose Copy Link to place it on your clipboard. If you want the video to begin at a specific moment, use the Share options, Start at checkbox or Append, T=30s or and T=30s to the. Finally, paste the copied URL into your chosen destination. Chat, email, or a document, using Ctrl+V or long press paste on mobile, and send or save it. Once done, verify the link by opening it in a new tab or clicking the sent message to ensure it loads the right video and starts at the correct time. If it doesn't, make sure you copied the full URL, remove extraneous playlist parameters, and try copying again. Clearing cache or restarting the app can fix persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.